Hold on, give me a second.
All right, so we in the trap house right now.
Yeah.
We with Trapper Daniel.
Trapper Daniel.
Trapper Bando. Introduce yourself. This is the big trapper.
Feel me? Big Trapper don't say his real name.
Oh! Trap life. And then we got Fast Boy Steven down here. Yeah. Hold up. Let me get some light down there for you.
Oh hell yeah.
Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, it's real bright.
Show
him down. Yeah. Show him around.
We're doing a clutch install. We're about to take out the drive shaft, multi-piece drive side, you feel? Show them the clutch up there.
The what?
The clutch up there.
Where's it at?
Right there. Right behind you.
Alright, so we got, bro, that is so bright. Oh, seizure.
What?
There we go.
Look at these drunk fools over here, look.
Which clutch is this?
This ain't, I'm about to say, this thing is thick, bro. Huh? This thing is thick. Yeah, it should handle some power. Hey, bro.
The what?
I know y'all been watching all the vlogs together, man.
Nah. See, bro, and then just like this, if you just wanna,
Damn, that is nice.
that's what I'm telling you.
Yeah, with the leg extender.
I'll be using the fuck out of it. Hey, can I show the engine bay?
Go ahead.
All right, this is where the real magic is right here, boy. Bro, this thing is. Steven, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm so like proud as fuck of you. This thing is nasty. Wait, get by it.
Alright, so subscribe to me.
Yeah, go ahead, shout yourself out.
Stock GTO on YouTube. We made 455, 438.
I'm about to say your video's gonna be up for this one.
Yeah.
So.
What's it called? 823 heads. Fast 102. BTR stage 4 LS3 cam. XR intake. 134 launcher battery.
Ooh, he just. Oh, they don't even know. He's just talking about speed right now.
Yeah, I mean that's it, man. That's basically it.
Proud of you. This thing's nasty, bro.
You next, right?
Yeah, I gotta figure out everything. I need to figure out the fuel line because you have.
This shit was a bitch, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
This shit was a bitch.
Because my intake kind of looks like this, but it's a metal.
Metal?
I think we got different ones.
You might have got the high round.
Yeah.
Since he wants you to go to boost.
Yeah, mine's metal. But these right here, he was saying I'm gonna have to get these, but we didn't add those in yet. So I gotta figure out how. Cause does this go all the way back? Like all the way to your pump?
It connects to OEM right here. I didn't
To
get
the
it.
OEM? Okay, that's what I was thinking.
What's it called? But dude, that shit was a bitch. Like literally, cause it was such a bitch.
God.
Everything it kept leaking. These are known to leak. I hope you know that.
This is a motor.
It is?
Yeah.
That's what.
Basic setup though. Basic setup.
This thing is fire as fuck.
Yeah, we're gonna swap cams, bro. Don't worry.
You got the Nitto? Yeah, he got the Nittos on. I'm telling you. Only thing that can hook in these vehicles.
Daniel, tell them how gas Gen is.
This thing's clean.
Oh, it's gas.
It's gas.
How's it? Oh, I'm gonna get banned. Oh no, wait. Tell me what you're gonna do over here.
No, it's exclusive, man.
It's exclusive. Give him a little sneak peek.
Alright, well, I'm gonna just get a room in here. You feel? Make a room in here. Got a bathroom right there. The walk-in closet. Little jacuzzi.
That'd be fire. So what, you just gonna keep everything down here?
Yeah, but I really want to block this shit off.
Are you gonna put a lift in here?
I want to put a lift in here, but I feel like I'm
You won't be able to lift it too much.
Yeah, I might get a baby lift. You know those
Yeah,
little
just the little ones that go off the ground, just so he got more room under it. So he's gonna have his little workshop here. Are you gonna have it fully enclosed?
Yeah, I'm having people come down there, hopefully for the next week, to give me an estimate.
You gonna have them do it? Why don't you do it?
Because I don't know plumbing, I don't know what's it called, electrical. I don't know framing. That's the only thing. And I could probably sheetrock, but. So I'd rather just pay somebody and they do it all, and then I just come down here.
Oh, you're gonna get him a strike. Calm down.
Hey, you got caught yet?
So I got what?
Slick.
So what I'm guessing is you're gonna come over more.
Yeah, I'll be over here more. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna start. Actually, what I'm gonna start is a little group. Hold on, let me.
Here's our game.
This motherfucker ain't going. It's thing.
Run it out right now so your YouTube channel can see you get skunked. Come on.
Where the darts at?
Alright, you get 4, I get 4.
He don't know what he getting into, bro. he don't even know.
Alright, you going first? Or me?
I go.
Nah, you got it right here behind that. Oh, not the GoPro.
With the GoPro.
Mm.
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 Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Mm. Give me that dub, baby.
Bro, that was on it.
No way.
Bro, it bounced off.
Oh my bad.
That's some bull.
That's
Let me try again.
Here.
Oh,
Got skunked on YouTube.
Bruh.
Who?
That's some bull, bro. Bro, I know y'all saw that. It hit it and bounced. Come on.
Alright, back to back though, back to back. Oh my god.
Oh.
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 Oh. Oh.
Oh, he got the pitcher throw with it.
Jimmy, Peyton Manning.
God damn.
Ugh. Listen, Mike.
I guess
Shoulder up.
he alright with it. I guess.
Mike.
Bro, I really like this little setup down here though. It's just fun.
Also, I'll rent you a corner.
You rent me a corner.
Yep.
Bro, it's this man.
A band, a corner.
Man, they got my videos playing, you already know. YouTube algorithm. Gang.
You want me to include the donuts or not?
No.
Not?
Nah, that was a bad thing.
Oh my god. Alright.
You can like
So vlogs.
Bro.
We get it. Your setup looks better than mine. We get it.
It's
like a little small
a
clip.
little bit.
Yeah. Well. Yeah, 06 also.
LS2.
Bone stock.
Literally, still has the fucking whatever this is.
So hopefully lets me record us doing headers.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Headers and everything, even cam.
Should be by like the next 2 weeks.
Don't zoom in on that. So you getting headers next week?
Probably headers, yeah. I'm probably gonna.
Bro, really, it's a bunch of 6.0s out here.
Hell yeah.
It's a
There's
bunch of 6.0s. Ooh.
Hey bro, you know there's a Supra that lives here? MK5?
What the fuck?
It's a white one.
Like across the street?
No, like up there. I don't know. He'd be leaving. He'd be skirting. Yeah, but you know your plans, Nando.
Well, I plan on doing an NA build on phone. There's 2 different cameras. I plan on doing an NA build until I have enough money for boost. Stop fucking with that.
I would take this off for real though.
Probably like
It really could just fly.
stage 4 text speed cam. Possibly LS3 heads. I don't know what route I want to do as far as heads. Might just keep the 243 and then just port them. But stage 4 NA cam. I'll probably run a 150 shot of nitrous for the time being.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean that's it. Headers, exhaust, over the radiator intake. Stage 4 NA text speed cam, or probably Brian Tooley. Ported heads, and 150 shot of NOS. And should be good. That's my plan. Obviously, like probably get like 15-inch rears for a drag pack, and yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
As far as like interior, I'll probably do the rear seat delete.
Oh, it's tinted as fuck.
Yeah.
I'm about to say it's dark.
Yeah, as far as the interior, the rear seat delete. Probably gonna do something with the door panels. Get like a metal door panel, aluminum door panels. Maybe an aluminum driver's seat. I don't know yet. And yeah, I'm trying to be around 3,400. I know these weigh 36. I'm trying to be around 3,400. Oh, 37. Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
They weigh 37. So I'm trying to be around 34. But I don't know if that's possible without cutting stuff. So we'll see.
I bet. I'm glad you got a GTO, man.
Thank you.
I should really kiss you for that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my 6.0 and go. All right, what's time?
He got
what's
the
time?
Mavman carbon fiber. If you know, you know.
Oh yeah. You know.
Rare as fuck. I'm about to steal it from him when he's not looking.
Yeah, you funny.
Damn.
Oh my god.
It's either that or it's not gonna shut.
Hey, why didn't you bring the ball if I can borrow you on real quick?
We had a little.
Bro, why that rim so high?
The air's, you know, a little bit out.
It's just so
Yeah,
high, bro.
Grab what? A rock?
Yeah, grab a rock.
Hold this.
I'm not, bro. It is 30 degrees. No way y'all just gonna go fishing right now.
Let's see if this thing goes.
We better go in the woods.
That's why I want this so bad. You can like see yourself through that shit.
Yeah. You see both sides? I like it so you can actually see what you're recording.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So you're not just like, yeah, man, we're out here. You can actually see like what
Yeah.
you're doing.
I should have asked for that for Christmas. Now I think about it.
Slick.
Yeah, I have the Hero 8.
Yeah. And I got the 1 terabyte SD, bro.
Oh
I had over 30 hours. I've been every single video is on here right now, still on here. I had over 30 hours.
Look, get that one.
That's where it's at, my boy.
I'm trying to look for one with something on there.
Oh, it's turning black, cuz.
You just gotta touch screen.
You can touch on it if you want to see it.
Y'all should just leave those because there ain't no way we about to be fishing right now.
You're right. This might get stuck on something. I'm not using the lure. Yeah, alright, let's just go down there.
Straight till spring, bro. It's right around the corner.
Nah.
Got another 45-minute video incoming. We ain't editing.
hell
We ain't
nah.
editing nothing.
Tripping.
We're gonna need to cut like a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna watch that 1 hour video before I go to sleep, but like.
Yeah, it's just, bro. It's just cause I don't be like I be editing, but I be like I don't want to take this out.
Look, Holden looks professional compared to me, bro. I need
He
that.
does look professional.
I need that.
Does look
I just be out here.
Oh, I forgot that man got a boot.
Hey, bro, he got hit by a bus.
Man, when you suing?
It's in the process.
This shouldn't work.
He said he's gonna do.
You for real get hit by a bus?
That bet on the way.
You for real get hit? I know his dumb ass just fell or something.
Bro, that's exactly what happened.
Yup, I just
Yeah, he's gonna get a 0-1.
Put it back on you, though. Like, put it back on there.
What is going on prepared? He's got jeans, got boots. You know Snake getting his ass.
Bro, that's how it be every day. It's just so much easier. I'm just ready. Oh,
the only way when you caught
that.
it.
Bro, Steven, let me live out there. let me live in that little
Hey,
spot.
where are you trying to go? You trying to go to the bridge?
You wanna go to the bridge or you wanna go to the river first?
Let's just go.
Let's go to the bridge.
Let's just walk.
The bridge has a better view of the river.
Steven, I'm gonna juke you some batteries, bro.
You're gonna what?
Juke you some batteries.
What does that mean?
Take them. I'm gonna borrow them from the store so you got more.
Oh, but you gonna borrow them from the store?
Yeah, bro. That's how I did all mine. And I have the 1 terabyte SD, so I got 30 hours of videos. I haven't even deleted any of my videos off of them.
But from what I've heard, is that the bigger the SD, the worse the quality is. That's all they said was the 125.
Nah,
or
that's cap.
Or I think it was 128.
You just have to get a good SD card.
I get SanDisk.
Yeah, that's what I have.
I heard that's the best.
Bro, I don't know why y'all going through right there when there's a whole opening right here.
Oh!
Almost 8, bro.
Yeah, go left or right?
I went left.
Go left.
Am I tripping or is it higher?
It
It
did
could
get
be.
higher. This is right here in the summer.
Fishing.
Yeah, look, a couple chairs right there.
Oh, slick
It's gonna be
cover.
hot. Hell yeah.
I wouldn't swim here though.
No, fuck no. We threw a rock in there. That shit's at least 20 feet deep. At least.
And that little undertow get you. That's a little spot. Okay. Bro, I'm liking Steven's house.
This is the spot.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Bro, I'm liking Steven's house.
You haven't even been inside yet.
Yeah.
It's nice. Extremely nice.
It's alright.
Hey,
It's alright.
we got higher, didn't
It did get higher.
we? But that motherfucker look deep, huh?
Throw a rock. Throw a rock.
Throw a rock and leave
Alright, I
it
got
fucking
y'all.
hollow.
I want me a fat rock. Finish.
Throw one rock.
There you go.
I got
For the
y'all.
outro. For the outro.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
That little baby ass rock. I got y'all.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do an outro. Appreciate y'all for watching.
Oh, no,
Go sub to my boy
no.
Soul Vlogs. Yeah, subscribe. One more rock throw. One more rock throw.
For the boys. For the boys.
Yeah.
Alright, he did his outro, so I might as well do mine. Yeah. Yeah, go like, comment, subscribe on everybody's thing.
Big things coming. Yeah,
Yeah.
content coming from the GTO.
Yeah.
Y'all can stay tuned for that. If Holding stays around long enough.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah,
It doesn't
Days
disappear for
around
another
long
6
enough.
months.
No, I'm gonna pull up. I swear.
All right.
I swear.
He swore.
That one.
How deep do you think it is?
Bro, that's at least 20-something feet.
Let me try. I was like,
Hell no.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Go follow all the IGs. Y'all just text me your shits and I'll link them.
Mine is the same shit for every platform.
But y'all know. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one.